Alright y'all, welcome back. This is your boy Y. I wanted to go over one more tech that I found today, and this would be Emeet AirFlow. Now, I actually found this by accident. I was scrolling through Facebook, and sometimes they have those notifications about different advertisements. Obviously, it's meant to get you to purchase it. But I decided to take a quick dig into it, and I saw something that I actually liked about it. Before, I was more of like an in-ear type of person when it comes to headbuds. Not really like Apple, more of like Sony earbuds and like Samsung earbuds. But recently, within the last 2 years, I've been trying a lot of open ear. Currently, my favorite one is called Olidance, and I'll go over that in another video. But I want to go over these ones really quick since I just got it. We're going to do just a quick unboxing so you can see exactly what comes in the package. And I'll also leave a link in the description in case you want to check it out for yourself. So right off the back, just simple box. Actually, the shipping was really fast. It came directly from DHL, and for me, DHL is something that is better than other shipping competitors. I haven't had any issues with them, at least in my area. It may be different in your area, but yeah, it just depends on where you're at. I've had issues with FedEx and UPS and even the post office in the past, but DHL has been one. They tend to do really good. So just opening the box here, you're greeted with, of course, the Emeet buds, and honestly, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is actually a good thing. But just to take a look inside the box a little bit more, it has this little tab right here, as you can see from the side. When you pull the tab open, you're greeted with, the normal, the buds. And then right here is something that I don't see a lot of companies do. Of course, I don't need it, but hey, you never know when you're going to use it. Small baggie. The more accessories, the better. I'm going to leave this right in the box because you never know. Again, how I am with my tech is once I'm done using it, if I move on to a different type of tech, I like to make sure if I decide to sell it that the person gets brand new packaging still. So if you open this tab here off to the side, you're greeted. It looks like this is where the dongle, the charging cable, and more earmuffs are. So just opening that up. So just move that off to the side. So regular Type-C. Again, if you don't need a Type-C charger, because these days we always have it everywhere we are, feel free to just leave it right back in the box. That's normally what I do. I have Type-C chargers all around, and I carry one with me all the time in my bag. So this one I don't really need. It's good to have though, but I don't really need it, so I just leave it in the box. Also, looks like these are actually ear tips to put on the edges of your buds. Why this is handy is because a lot of people get a lot of ear fatigue. With the ear canals, it can be a sensitive thing to deal with. I technically don't do in-ear earbuds, not anymore, and that's just mainly because of the fact that when I have them in my ear starts to get very painful. But these ones look like it sit at the bottom of your ear, right in between like your neck and your ear, so it may be a little more helpful and obviously a little more comfortable. But what I did notice, okay, they gave me two. Thought they only gave me one. So obviously making a little bit of a hassle to get out the box. There we go. So second ear muff, and this part is always going to be useful. I definitely love when I get earbuds that I can connect to a computer. Yes, I want to do everything with Bluetooth, and mostly with the technology we have now, it's going to sound good, but I still feel that you lose some of the overall quality of the sound when you have to do it with Bluetooth compared to just connecting it. This may be a little bit better, though it's still kind of like Bluetooth connection, but at least you can connect this specifically into the computer and then have it work. I will show a demo of it in the future. If you would like, please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. So overall, I think it looks pretty good. So moving that to the side, I want to bring in here, and then again the packaging. I like that they make the packaging simple. Sorry, I'm doing everything with one hand because I got my DJI in one hand and obviously opening this in another. So here you're greeted with the overall packaging, the overall case, I mean. So Emit right on the front, very simplistic. I don't even know if that's a word, but I'm going to use it, simplistic. Got a button on the front, so that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that's going to be to like cause it to, I guess you could say, probably do more of getting it to connect to Bluetooth. But I'm holding it and nothing. Oh, it did light up. Okay. Oh, so it does light up. That's pretty cool. Okay, so one moment, and open it here. So right when you open it, you're greeted with this. And these looks pretty nice actually. I will say the texture, you definitely can tell you're gonna easily attract dust and stuff to it. I wouldn't say it is pretty good, but overall, if you're like a person like me, very neat freak, and I have those tendencies where I notice even the smallest of things, it will annoy me. But for right now, it looks pretty good. Not too bad at all. I like how the overall thing, again, is going to go over your ear. It's not meant to go inside your ear. It's meant to sit right outside your ear and then put the sound right into your ear. So pretty good. And what I like the most that made me want to buy this is this part. So if you see this part, you can connect this right into the ear canal. I mean, not the ear canal, but right into the Bluetooth itself. This helps a lot, only because when you're trying to talk on the phone, you may lose some of that quality because maybe you're outside and there's a lot of air blowing. But this may actually help and eliminate that overall sound interruption. So if I had to guess, hold on one moment, let me try. Oh, yep, and you just plug it right in. So to show you how it looks, here in this little hole right here, you're able to see it's that little hole, you would just plug it in. That little hole, you just push it right in there and it plugs in just easy. And it should look something like this. Pretty simple, straightforward. Has a button on the end here, which will start it up. But overall, I think this is pretty good. So I'll be leaving another video showing my overall usage for these headbuds. If you have any specific questions about them, let me know. All right, thank you. God bless you all.